Mamaya, kain ka muna. Yan. Kain kami libre.
Ayan.
Ayan, princess namin.
Balik na lang tayo. Makele. Sa'yo yung ano.
Kain na siya.
Donut potato.
Libre lang to. Walang bayad.
Mashed potato.
Yan sa kanya order. Burger, mashed potato. Anong tawag nito, Haisa?
Laki ng sa kanya, no? Grabe yung burger niya.
Oh, may cookies pa.
Oh, yun yung order niya.
But I didn't order these.
What?
I didn't order these.
Hindi, kasama yan.
Ito, salad,
Salad sa akin.
chicken.
And
Okay,
chocolate
that's
cake. For me, cooking. Look at this delicious, beautiful,
Yan si Barry
jumbo,
Treat.
giant cookie.
Yan si Barry Treat. Sleep siya.
Okay ka lang dyan, anak. Gusto mong umupo sa ano? Sige, upo ka. Kaya mo?
Hindi siya nakaamoy ng pagkain. Sleep siya.
I just stand, or I can use this suitcase.
Ano ba?
I rather take the tomatoes. I don't like onions, but I like the tomato.
Ayan, noodles.
I think it's
Ano ba?
Di masarap? Malamig?
Hindi masarap.
I want
Ah,
lettuce.
yung soup nila.
Shoot.
Parang Chinese soup.
That's all. That's all.
Korean soup. Parang gano'n.
Grabe. Ganyan, pangat lasa. Itong mashed potato masarap.
Yum.
Ano to? Chocolate?
Yung steak nila.
Steak? Beef steak?
Masarap ang burger.
Wow. Yan sa kanya, oh. Big burger.
Laki ng burger, no?
I didn't want the onion and the tomato.
Naamoy na si Bebe. Nagising na siya. Nagising na yung baby namin.
Mommy, can you open this one, please?
Malamig siya.
Dito. Ano mo dito? Ay, mahirap na. Kung gusto mo ng ketchup, lagyan mo ng ketchup.
Nakaamoy siya ng pagkain.
Thank you, Mommy, for the food.
Nagising siya.
I think every dinner service you get this.
Hindi ko lang. Parang wala pa lang gana. Masarap man, pero wala akong gana.
Ano to? Iced tea?
Tasty yata, no?
I didn't order.
Ano, iced tea. Tapos ano to?
Ito din. Apple juice.
Apple juice. Ito, apple juice.
Wow,
Daming
that's
apple juice. Banat to.
Mommy, do you feel good?
Yeah.
Ano na? Papa,
Kain.
gano'n kain?
Mamaya. Ano na?
So here is it with this sauce.
Ito yung isa may gana kumain. Very good.
Very good siya. Very good yung isang baby namin. Baby Dambuhala.
Si Baretret ayaw dumidi.
Si Baritrit to.
Mommy,
Sleep
try it
lang.
with ketchup.
Sleep lang din siya.
I can add some ketchup to my burger.
Doon pinadagdag ko ng ketchup yan. Masarap yung mashed potato nila.
Oh, yeah.
Wala lang akong gana.
I tried with this sauce and it's yummy, but how about with the ketchup?
Anong tawag yung order mo? Mustard.
Another burger.
Ayan.
Kain na ako ha.
May cake pa.
What is
Very
that?
good na hospital.
What is that?
Henderson.
No, that one.
Food
What is-
nila.
Daddy, what is this?
Cake. That is drink.
What kind of drink?
Soft drinks. Maybe soft drinks.
Oh, something.
Burger.
But there's only two cups and it's glass.
You want burger?
No.
Mas masarap yung kay Arya kahapon.
Yeah.
May cheese yun.
I want to try the
May
cake.
cheese pa na. Burger.
Wait, what is this? This one cake belongs to nobody.
Init pa
Hindi
oh.
ba natin in-order yan, no?
Yeah, this
Mm,
is just
bigay nila.
congratulations. cake.
Bigyan nila pa.
What is this cake? What is this kind of cake?
Kain. Salad.
Cake.
Kain na siya.
Mm-hmm.
Si baby sleeping.
Yeah, sleeping. He always wants to sleep.
Sleeping siya. Antokin na siya ngayon. Ito, bibi Jambuhala. Yan, ate.